Welcome to MTH Health, your guide to wellness and comfort. Hey there, and welcome to MTH Health, where we bring you the best tips and insights for a healthier, more comfortable lifestyle. How to reduce pain during Brazilian bikini waxing. Today, we're sharing some expert tips to help you reduce pain during Brazilian bikini waxing. Waxing can be intimidating, but with the right techniques, it doesn't have to be painful. Let's get into it. Choose the right technician. First, always choose a skilled technician who uses high-quality wax. A professional can make a big difference in your comfort level, so look for someone experienced. Step 2. Cleanse your skin. Before your appointment, cleanse your skin to remove dead skin cells. This allows the wax to grip the hair more effectively and helps reduce discomfort. Step 3. Consider taking a mild pain reliever. If you're concerned about pain, try taking a mild pain reliever about an hour before waxing. But remember, consult your doctor first for safe use. Step 4. Practice deep breathing. During the process, practice deep breathing. This can reduce anxiety and make the experience more manageable. Step 5. Soothe your skin. After waxing, use aloe vera gel or calamine lotion to soothe your skin. This helps reduce redness and irritation, keeping you comfortable. Avoid intense exercise. For a day or two, avoid intense exercise. Sweat can irritate freshly waxed skin, so it's best to take it easy. Bonus tips: warm shower and compress. For even more relief, take a warm shower before your appointment to soften the skin. A warm compress on the area can also help ease pain. Subscribe for more health tips. We hope these tips make your waxing experience easier and more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MTH Health for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video. Subscribe now and watch more tips from MTH Health.